Myself and my husband Paul, we've got 3 kids. We're living just outside Ashburn in County Meath. We've been living here about 6 years now. We moved out of the village because we just wanted to give the kids a bit more space. So now we've a nice big garden, plenty of sun, plenty to run around place. We'd still be part of the club up in Ashburn, and up there we have a very good sense of community. I still play in the camogie team, the kids all play in the nursery, and now Kate's on the under 8 team. We're involved in the local group for kids with disabilities as well, where I coach them. I'm a firm believer that kids need to be active all the time. You know, we don't put on the TV. They kind of get annoyed with me over that. I prefer them to be outside playing. I try to get them involved in as much as I can. They do the nursery in the club. They're playing hurling and football and camogie, but then they're out running around, they're climbing the trees. I just think it gives them a good basis for a healthy life, but then also just for being involved in sport in general in the long run. It's nice that we can have a garden that our family can come down and share with us, that the kids' friends can come along. It's our space. We've really nice neighbours around. It's a real, just nice area with plenty of sunshine in it, plenty of opportunity for kids to play and just to be kids in it.